Mastering freelance lead generation, a blueprint for converting leads into $100 million plus revenue. Introduction. In the hyper-competitive world of freelance platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and Guru, generating consistent leads and converting them into long-term revenue requires a blend of strategy, resilience, and deep client understanding. Having earned over $100 million through these channels, I've navigated the complexities of pre-sales, project execution, and client psychology. Here's a breakdown of the framework that drives success, even on a limited budget, and the non-negotiable elements required to thrive. 1. Lead generation. Quality over quantity. The proposal machine. Sending 10 proposals daily might seem routine, but without precision, it's futile. Platforms like Upwork require 200 plus daily connects just to bid, which adds up quickly. To optimize, hire a skilled filtering team. 2 dedicated professionals are critical. Their role? Scout projects aligned with your niche, craft tailored proposals, and handle technical queries. They must understand your core competencies and communicate fluently in English to build trust. Leverage referrals and email marketing. Past clients and personalized email campaigns, not spam, remain gold mines. Use structured templates and segment your audience for relevance. Key insight: a limited budget demands ruthless prioritization. Focus on high-value projects that match your portfolio, rather than casting a wide net. 2. Converting leads. The art of pre-sales mastery. Crafting irresistible proposals. Clients today are savvy, and often aim to undercut market rates. Your proposal must address exact pain points. Include case studies or portfolios, even 2 strong examples work. Offer a clear scope of work, so, project charter, and WBS to showcase professionalism. Technical discussions and demos. Prepare a flawless proof of concept, PAC, a demo that crashes loses the deal. Invest time in refining it. Anticipate technical questions and align answers with the client's industry jargon. Negotiation tactics. Stand firm on pricing by highlighting ROI. Clients paying 50% below market rate? Politely walk away, they're really worth the hassle. 3. Project execution. Delivering beyond expectations. Agile development and communication. Break projects into sprints with regular client updates. Host daily stand-ups and weekly walkthroughs to maintain transparency. Use tools like Jira or Trello for tracking progress. Post-delivery maintenance. Offer retainers for ongoing support. This builds recurring revenue and client loyalty. 4. Scaling beyond freelance platforms. Diversify your presence. Build a website, landing page, showcase your expertise, products, and client testimonials. Develop your own products, SaaS tools, templates, or ebooks. Position you as an authority. LinkedIn and content marketing. Share insights on client psychology or project management trends to attract inbound leads. Market research. Stay ahead by analyzing industry shifts. Adapt your services to emerging needs, e.g., AI integration, cybersecurity. 5. The hard truths: time, budget, and client psychology. 16+ hour days. Success here isn't a side hustle. Drafting proposals, refining demos, and managing teams demands relentless effort. Client psychology. Decode hidden objections. Are they hesitant about costs, timelines, or your expertise? Address these proactively. Budget realities. Limited funds. Allocate 80% to high conversion channels, e.g., Upwork Connects, LinkedIn ads, and 20% to experiments, e.g., SEO blogs. 6. Lessons from $100 million in revenue. Profile and portfolio polish. Your Upwork profile is your storefront. Highlight niche skills and past wins. First line of defense. Your sales team must be technical enough to answer facts without escalation. Avoid race to the bottom clients. Focus on value-driven buyers, not bargain hunters. Freelancer profiles, pains, overcoming challenges, and startup realities. Below are 10 freelancer profiles from different domains, each reflecting unique challenges and the strategies they use to overcome them. These profiles also illustrate that a significant percentage, often between 30% to 40%, of startups face early setbacks before finding a sustainable path. 1. Web developer pain: constantly underbid projects and faced clients trying to negotiate far below market rates. Overcome: focused on high quality, customized solutions, built a robust portfolio, and raised rates gradually. Startup stats: approximately 35% of web developers struggle initially due to price wars. 2. Graphic designer pain: overwhelming competition and undervaluation of creative work. Overcome, developed a unique style, showcased award-winning designs in a dedicated portfolio, and targeted premium clients. Startup stats: nearly 40% of graphic designers face challenges breaking through the noise. 3. Digital marketer pain: difficulty in demonstrating tangible ROI to skeptical clients. Overcome, created detailed case studies and leveraged data-driven strategies to build trust. Startup stats: about 30% fail to secure long-term contracts due to ambiguous performance metrics. 4. Content writer pain: many platforms flooded with low-cost writers leading to fierce competition. Overcome, niche specialization and in-depth research allowed for high-quality, authoritative content that commanded better rates. Startup stats: roughly 33% of writers struggle in the beginning, later rising with specialized skills. 5. SEO specialist pain: clients expected overnight results despite SEO being a long-term strategy. Overcome, educated clients on the realistic timelines and provided measurable milestones to showcase progress. Startup stats: nearly 30% face early rejections until they establish credibility. 6. Mobile app developer pain: rapid technological changes and client hesitance on investing in new technologies. Overcome, committed to continuous learning, created scalable prototypes, and demonstrated innovation with working demos. Startup stats: about 38% initially fail to meet expectations until they adapt to evolving tech trends. 7. Video editor pain: clients often undervalued video projects, seeing them as low-risk investments. Overcome, developed a signature style and offered comprehensive post-production services, turning every project into a success story. Startup stats: approximately 37% face early-stage challenges, gradually improving with reputation. 8. Software engineer pain: technical discussions and complex project scopes led to prolonged negotiations and scope creep. Overcome, established clear project charters and detailed proposals that define scope, deliverables, and timelines. Startup stats: around 35% experience setbacks due to miscommunication before streamlining processes. 9. Virtual assistant pain: sifting through low-quality projects and managing varied client expectations proved overwhelming. Overcome, developed a filtering system to identify high-value projects and honed excellent communication skills to set clear expectations. Startup stats: nearly 40% of virtual assistants face early hurdles until they refine their service offerings. 10. It consultant pain: building initial trust and convincing clients to invest in consultancy was challenging. Overcome, leveraged a strong portfolio and client testimonials, combined with thorough market research to justify higher rates. Startup stats: approximately 32% of consultants face difficulties in the early stages before establishing long-term client relationships. Final word: freelance platforms are a battlefield, but with the right strategy, they're a gold mine. Invest in skilled teams, refine your pre-sales process, and diversify your outreach. Remember, scalability comes from systematizing success, not chasing every lead. Now, go build your empire. Ready to transform your freelance business? Start by auditing your proposal strategy today. Message to community: elevate your freelance business. Proven strategies to skyrocket leads, sales and revenue in the fast-paced world of freelancing. Standing out isn't just about skill, it's about strategy. Having generated $100 million plus in revenue through platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, and targeted campaigns, I've cracked the code to turning leads into loyal clients, even with tight budgets. Let me help you replicate this success. Here's how I deliver results: small diamond laser-focused lead generation, smart prospecting. Sending 10 plus tailored proposals daily isn't enough. My team filters high-value projects, saving 200 plus monthly connects, and crafts proposals that speak directly to client pain points. Portfolio power: a polished profile and 2 plus niche-specific case studies, e.g., SaaS development, fintech solutions, build instant credibility. Small diamond pre-sales excellence: proposals that win, detailed SOWs, project charters, and WBS frameworks showcase professionalism and ROI. Flawless demos: a bulletproof pack that works during client walkthroughs, no crashes, no excuses. Small diamond client psychology mastery: avoid race to the bottom clients by emphasizing value over price. My negotiation tactics ensure your paid market rates, not 50% discounts. Small diamond agile project execution: sprint-based workflows, daily stand-ups, and client updates keep projects on track. Post-launch retainers ensure recurring revenue. Why partner with me? Cost-effective systems. Even with limited budgets, my strategies optimize spends on LinkedIn, Upwork, and email marketing. No spam, just precision. Your own growth playbook. From building landing pages to launching digital products, I'll help you diversify beyond freelance platforms. Ready to scale? Let's turn your freelance hustle into a scalable business. Whether you are struggling with lead quality, client retention, or pricing pressure, I'll equip you with the tools to thrive. Next steps. Reply to schedule a free 30-minute audit of your current strategy. Let's build a roadmap to 3x your leads and 2x your closing rate in 90 days.